Yeah, I decided to switch gears up a bit for this channel. This is a Hoover Elite vacuum from what I believe is from the 90s. We actually used to have one, except it was gray. However, we eventually gave it to Goodwill because the cord was fraying and we put electrical tape on the cord. So it never really died. We eventually got a Eureka vacuum, which started losing suction and one of the wheels fell off. So it didn't last very long. Then around in 2004 or 2005, I believe, we got this Dyson. And it still runs, but really looking at it, compared to the Hoover, the Dyson doesn't seem to do that well. Anyway, it's got your typical attachments, hose and things that go on there. It takes a Type A bag inside. You can still get these from online. Overall, this is a good vacuum. Anyway, I bet you guys, let's see it in action. This thing is loud, unfortunately, but it will have to be. It's loud, and yet it gets the job done. Anyway, that is my Hoover Elite. See you guys later.